welcome you to this small program which we have organized to celebrate the achievement of our country of achieving 100 crore COVID vaccination doses today.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. In fact, today it's a great day, and we are so happy to be a part of this celebration. In fact, many of the countries, they could not achieve this feat, but even though our India is lagging behind in many things, but still then we have done something which many advanced countries could not do. So we are very helpful, grateful to our GOI for all the support and for supplying sufficient vaccines. So even though we may get enough vaccine, but if there is no supporting people, it could not have been possible.
Along with the rest of the country, we feel very privileged to celebrate this great achievement of our country in our center. We are very grateful to the government for giving us this opportunity to be part of this COVID vaccination drive. We feel very satisfied that we are able to partner with the government in this drive, and we look forward to working in this future also. We are really very grateful, and our SD Jain Charitable Clinic till now we have contributed around 45,000 doses in our center, and we are very grateful to the government. They have given us and all the civil societies. Without the support of all the civil societies all over India, this would not have been possible, and we have reached this landmark in such a short period. So we are really thankful to the government.
Sir, aji all over India de 100 crore COVID vaccination ito mana ase. To ami an Nagaland la state tibi kine ka ase vaccination la.
Nagaland state lagado itya achi tak to 11 lakhs 59,659 dose loigana ase. Do tati amakan Dimapur de 4 lakhs 23,551. So this figure Nagaland as amakan census is up to 11 lakhs pray loigana ase, but district is up to Aisekwali to Dimapur lagado. We have crossed the target also, because Dimapur census is 3 lakhs something only, but we have crossed 4 lakhs.
Itadak to le 18 above vaccine lo ase. Bole bi itola nije to nai. To itola status bi kine ka ase.
Itu Darkan trial phase did I guess a few months back, but after all this trial phases is over, the government has approved to give it to the children. So since the approval is given, we are just waiting for the vaccine to be rolled out. Kurisakwalito, Nagaland Devi, within a short period, it will start the vaccination.
Ami ang someone jane si itadak bi COVID to ase. To ini apnila side pra do you want to convey message like precaution message no lebi awareness message to public khange.
Yeah. See, amakan hesitancy tagisi, reluctance tagisi, so much of fake news, rumors tagisi. But from before, we have been telling the people, you go according to the figure. To tati mora manudi saisi kweli to 97-98% percentage to vaccine nulakani thagisi to mora kando. Ito karni manukang kiki kweli bi vaccine lua khan mora to fully vaccinated only 1% in Dimapur. Ito karni that vaccine is effective ase. So vaccine plus amakan COVID appropriate behavior like using masks, social distancing, hand washing. This is still one of the most important measure to remain protected. Ito karni amakan COVID positive to komdia sukuengana amakan complacent noble lage. Once we go out of a house, we should always use the mask, paradak social distancing rakibo lage, or hand washing, though we should still continue practicing those safety measures.
Amian la desh de 100 crore vaccination milestone bunchala borde aji STGen charitable center de program ekta chutu ekta luise aru etu program te amian la CMO taibe aigina amian la Nagaland la amian la state la vaccination status bi janai dise aru taiba bi guise ki Nagaland de 98% covid death hua do vaccine na loa na se guna etu bi janai dise sai thik bi Nagaland TV for more news updates mo ase committee nong with camera person Khalil.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 10 in Global Chapter, and for Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.